In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to lay your fabric inside a embroidery hoop. But before we start that, what we'll need to do, so that we've got some guides on where to do our stitching, what I do is just with a ruler draw a couple of lines approximately 1.5 to 2 centimeters apart, just to give you a basis to follow when you're doing your stitching. Okay, so you can see there that I've got quite a few lines. We may or may not use all of them, but at least you've got those there to practice with. Next, your embroidery hoop comes in 2 parts. So you loosen off this screw and remove the center circle. So that's just got nothing, it's just a plain circle. And then your outer ring is the one that has the screw mechanism. So we start by placing our center piece on your table. Then we drape our fabric over the top. Just make sure it's really nice and flat. And then with our embroidery hoop, we just slip that gently over the center section. Okay, once that's on, we just lift it slightly and start to tighten the mechanism. Now, as we've done that, you can see that this is starting to get a little bit loose. So what we do is we just go around and start to tighten all of these edges, make them really nice and flat with no puckering or bubbles. And just keep tightening that through there. Okay, so it should be really nice and firm. There will be a little bit of give in it. You can see that that's moving a little bit, but that's fine. But it should be just nice and tight all the way through. And then just tighten this screw as tight as you can get it, just so that it's nice and firm. And that's setting up your embroidery hoop.